warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aida Fasihah binti Cik Johar, matric number A1AA0517. I will talk about company background. Our business name is Kaspa and Cafe. Before we started the business, we do some research such as survey form, face-to-face questionnaire, and ask individual about the car wash characteristic that they want. We use the name Kaspa and Cafe because we not only provide a car wash, but we also provide a cafe which is have coffee, cakes, and donuts inside the cafe, so customer can enjoy the food while waiting their car. We started the business on 20 July 2020 and the location is at Indra Mahkota, Kuantan, Pahang. In this business, we only have 6 employees, including a CEO and 2 managers. For the car wash, we only use 2 male workers, while 1 female worker for cafe. Next, mission and vision. Our mission is strive to be a car wash that is able to provide the best services, courteous service, and ethical work to every customer, while our vision is to become a quality Kaspa and cafe.
Hi, my name is Nurusna Shazani binti Hanafi. Today I will present about the organization plan in our business plan. So let me explain about their job. First, for CEO, he responsible to monitor the whole of the organization and setting the strategy and vision and building the culture. Then for manager, they should manage planning, leading, and control the department under him. After that, for the car wash worker, he responsible to carry out cafe service job, and also for the cafe worker responsible to carry out the cafe service job.
Hi, my name is Nikmah Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman. My matric number is A18A0420. Today I would like to present about the operation plan related to Kaspa and Cafe. For operation plan, our main purpose is to ensure that every customers who use our service is satisfied, and also aim to ensure that the job provided by our business are the best and satisfy the taste of our customers. Next is operation hours. Our business start at 9 AM and until 10 PM and are closed only Monday. For operation process, we have 4 steps. First step is weathering the entire body and the car, including the rims, tires to getting wet and every part of the car surface. Second, soak entire body of the car using a foam water gun starting from the front of the car to rear bonnet of the car. Third, leave for 7 to 9 minutes so that the soap can be respond and remove all dirt. And the fourth is rinse the entire car with water.
Then I will continue about product and services. First, we use the different services which is nanotechnology to attract more customers. This technique, we only use a few machines, which is to spray the soap and wait from 7 to 9 minutes, and then rinse the car using the other machines. But only on a tire pipe, employee need to do a little wash but can still save the time. Next, the number of vehicles that can be washed are also increased, which is estimate 20 vehicles per day. After that, supplier. Our supplier is Symphony Auto Care. We choose this to be our supplier because they provide a high quality product with the low cost, and lastly, price charge. The price charge are also different based on a car categories but still at a reasonable price. For example, only 10 ringgit to 80 ringgit for a regular car. Next, current trend that affect the industry. First is number of competitors are increased. To open this business, we only need a low capital. So, company that cannot continue the business that has been done during this COVID-19 season will do something. Impressed company owners will try to open a new business which is with low capital but gain more profits. Then Malaysian economy will change, and lastly, it will affect the daily income of the cafe. Every business conducted should be follow the SOP. Due to the need of social distancing with each other, the number of tables should be reduced. So, customers who can enter the cafe at one time are limited. If the customer are not interested in waiting, they will not make purchases, so it will affect the income of the cafe.
Next is business strategic planning. Business strategic planning is referred to the marketing planning. It's very important for our company to know who is our target market. So we reach our target market by the segment which is for the geographic segment and demographic segment. Geographic segment we focus for the people who living in the Kuantan area, Taman and Bandar Indah Mahkota, and also around the area. Generally, to our target market is for the working individual who not have their time to wash their car. Then we target for the individual who want the fast and good service, and also the individual who want to minimize the scratches on their body car. Next is market size. Our market size we calculate based on the total of population. So we identify the population people in the Kuantan is 503,000 people. People who come to Bandar Indah Mahkota is 35%, which is 176,050 people, and people who come to Kaspa and Cafe is 19,366 people per year. So we decide the potential customer for our service we estimate will be around 10,000 people per year, but the total of the number of customer will increase by year by year. Next is competitors advantage and disadvantage. Our competitor is LYC Auto Spa, KZ Garage and IM Car Wash. Our competitive advantage is we provide the hand professional car wash, water spray. We use the Pro Nano. We does not require much manpower, easy and fast service. Our company provide the car wash and detailing, and also have the cafe. For disadvantage is new building premise, more competitors and not have more service like coating. Next is marketing strategy. There are 4 elements which is price, product, place and promotion. Our company do the promotion strategy first. We use the advertising by social media like Facebook, Instagram and website. It is because we know many people already have their own social media, so it makes easier for our company to promote our product and service to everyone. Second, sale promotion. We offer the sale promotion and discount on festival days such as medical sales, discount in conjunction with the opening of our store, riot sales and many more. Third is coupon. Every customer who come to our store will be given one free ship member card where they can redeem the coupon according to the condition set by our company. Then business card. This is the way for the people we notice our product that we are promote. Next, we create the banner to get more attention to know the location of our service company premise. And the last is poster. From this, all customer can get more information quickly.
Next is for financial plan. For financial plan, our startup capital for a Kaspa and Cafe business is RM30,000, which constant is 50,000 if own capital, and another 50,000 ringgit which is a bank loan. Next is the purchase of the car and cafe equipment is RM40,000 ringgit 387, which consist of office item, laundry item and item used in the cafe. Next is a profit. Our profit increase every years, which is an increase from the first to the 5th years. Last but not least is the business risk reduction and risk plan. For risk, we have 3 possible risks. First is rising price of good offered by suppliers. Next is service offered by employment to unsatisfied customers. And the third risk is from competitor. So therefore, to minimize the risk regarding, we have three methods. First is buying goods from supplier in large quantity. And the second is providing advisory service to employers. And third is offering different compare the competitors in terms of price, service, and quality service provided.